Hello, my lovely ladies. How you guys are doing? By the way, I am about to go out for my New Year party. आप देख सकते हो मैंने आज pink party dress पहनी है. But before going out to the party, I wanted to tell you all the new makeup trends, which you will see more in 2025. Well, this is my New Year look. If you guys can see, I just got a nice haircut. I had really long hairs and I just went to my hairstylist and I told him for the new year I really need a new look. So it's full of layerings to add some volume to my face. As you guys know, I'm petite, 5'2", 5'1.5" in height, so I cannot go by long hairs. And if you guys are also petite girls like me, I would encourage you to get a nice haircut, the medium length haircut. Well, I didn't want to go too short, so I just told them to add layers and layers in my body. So this is my dress for New Year. I am about to go out to celebrate New Year party with my people. But before I go ahead, I go out, meet my friends to go out for the party, New Year party. This is my New Year look. If you guys want to see, I have clubbed my pink embellished, as I said, embellished is on the rise. I have paired my pink color embellished, hot pink color embellished dress with a nice white shirt because this is Bangalore, guys. It's very hot. It's 23 degree, 24 degree. I cannot wear a blazer, so I clubbed this with a nice silver jewelry today because silver looks good on me. You can see my silver earrings today. If you girls are dusky, your complexion is very dusky or brownish, then you should go for more gold. And if you are more fair lady or fair complexion like me, medium to fair or fair to light complexion like me, then you should go more for silver jewelries. It will look really good on you. And since if you guys have not seen my previous video, I told you the cross matching is really popular now, so I'm clubbing my gold piece of jewelry with the silver piece, white silver piece of jewelry. Here you can also see some silver. Okay, because I'm clubbing pink and white with the silver. Okay, now let's talk about the makeup trends because this video is all about the makeup trends. Guys, for makeup trends, what are the new makeup trends you're gonna see in 2025 for my darling ladies, for my fashionable ladies? So number one is the trend is shifting. In 2024, the trend was more like pink, more like nude makeups. It was all, as I said, 2024 was all about subtleness, pink nude makeup. But 2025, the makeup is shifting towards more smoky eye. That's why today I have done my smoky eye look, guys. You can see the makeup is shifting towards more smoky eye look. It's very easy to create the smoky eye look. And with smoky eye look, today I have not applied any lenses on my eyes. It's my natural eyes, guys. So with my natural eyes, the brown, dark brown to black eye, I have applied smoky eye look on my eyes. In 2025, you are gonna see, instead of pink lips, I genuinely love pink lips, but the trend is moving from pink lips to more brown nude lipsticks. Not even nude, it's going a little bit more brownish, more brown lipsticks you are gonna see. As you can see today, my makeup is all about how the 2025 makeup should look like. So you can see on my face, I have done smoky eye. I have brown eyes, guys, brown to black eyes. It's very easy to create the smoky eye look. And I have applied brown lipsticks, nude color lipsticks, which is gonna be in a fashion. This is the biggest makeup trend for 2025. Makeup trend is shifting more towards brown lipsticks, more towards brown lip liners, more towards brown shade or nude shade of lips. So I will tell you today what I have applied on my lips because I get the maximum questions and comments from ladies about my lipsticks. What I have applied on my lips, मैंने आज क्या apply किया है? So today I have applied Bobbi Brown lipstick. This is the lipstick. Okay, this is the Bobbi Brown lipstick, and this is the lipstick which has a very brownish shade, very nice shade, which I have applied. I'm just applying in front of you to show you. This is the perfect lip color. If you guys want to have a collection of a luxury lipstick, you can just see this is the Brahma Brown, very popular Bobbi Brown lipstick. This is not a sponsored video, guys. As I already told you, I only mention things which I really feel are good for the girls. If it is a paid promotion, there will be a title includes a paid promotion wala thing. But since this video is not sponsored, it is Bobbi Brown, Brahma Brown. This shade is Brahma Brown 337. Okay, so this is Bobbi Brown lipstick, guys. If you are looking for a brown lipstick, nice brown lipstick, it's hyper pigmented, totally pigmented. I really love this lipstick, one of my favorites in luxury lipsticks. Okay, brown lipsticks are gonna be really popular this time, and you should buy some brown lipstick. So other than Bobbi Brown in Brahma Brown shade, I have one vinyl ink by Maybelline. I'll tell you the shade name. It's Irresistible 62 is written, Irresistible 62. Don't worry, I will link every lipstick, brown lipstick, in the description box. And let me apply over it to give you the shade. It's beautiful shade. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. It's a very beautiful shade. Again, the brown lipstick shade getting so popular. You can see, oh my god, it just increased the glossy finish. This is what you can purchase if you don't have a lot of money. It's hardly under 1,000 rupees. I think it's 600 or 700 rupees. Anybody can buy this lipstick if you cannot buy the Bobbi Brown. And I personally feel both have the similar, almost similar texture, not much difference. Just the case Bobbi Brown is always pigmented lipsticks. Okay, you want a bit of shine, lip gloss, I have the lip gloss. This is my favorite lip oil. I always apply this. Let me apply this. You can apply it on top of it, because I always want my ladies to look extra glossy. Oh, this looks so beautiful. Okay, so this is the lip oil. I will also put it in the description box which lip oil I have tried. Okay, nothing is sponsored. Okay, the first makeup trend is brown lips, nude color lips, the shades of brown. You will see more of the shades of brown. By the way, I have applied the lip liner also. The lip liner is from Streetwear. Let me show you. Yeah, girls, so the lip liner, let me show you one second. Okay, I hope you are able to see my lip liner. This is the lip liner I have tried today. It's brown lip liner. I really like this lip liner. It was in my closet for a long time and I was not using it because I was going more towards pink lips. As I said, 2024 was all about pink lips, nude makeup, but 2025 makeup trend is going towards brown lipsticks. So this is a brown lip liner. You can also buy a very nice lip liner, very soft lip liner. It's not gonna dry your skin. This is by Streetwear, guys. I don't know if you can see this. A very cute lip liner by Streetwear. Okay, very nice, brownish shade. And girls are going towards more and more dark brown lip liners also, which I feel a little bit over the top, but the trend is going towards that. So it's up to you, girls, if you want to try that also. It's up to you. Well, I go more for nude color brown shade. I like that more. It's a little subtle, but still it gives a lot of effect. It's looking really nice on my lips because I get maximum compliments on my lips, whether you have done any lip fillers, no lip fillers. It's only my lip liner, the lipstick, and the lip gloss or the lip oil which I have applied on my lip. Now let's go to the next makeup trend you are going to see more. That is the smoky eye. That's why today I have done the smoky eye look on my eyes for New Year especially. I'm going out today, so I'll just go out with my friends today. Talking about going out, if you're a single lady, I would encourage all the ladies to go out all by yourself. Do not bring your friends. If you really are looking for meeting right kind of a man, try to go in a 5-star locations, 5-star restaurant. So recently one 5-star restaurant opened in my neighborhood area, and today I'm going to check out that. It's in my neighborhood, so I'm gonna go and check it out today. But go out all by yourself, ladies. Do not be afraid of going out by yourself, because when you are going out with your friends, a man, even if he likes you, wants to approach you, the men get a little hesitant to approach you because you are surrounded by a lot of friends. So I would suggest you try to go out by yourself. And if anyone has, for in terms of dating tips, if anyone still have online dating profile, this is 2025. Delete all online dating profile. You're not gonna get the right kind of men online. And if you are single, you really want to meet a real nice man, a man of means, a real man with a real money, an elite man. If you're looking forward for that, please delete all your online profiles. Meet the men in real life like how you want to meet. You will meet the real men in real life by going out. Try to go out in weekdays. I would encourage you to go out in weekdays and go to the restaurants, check out some restaurant nice, go to the nice part of town, hang out at the nice part of town, do your course, daily course at the nice part of town, do your grocery shopping at the nice part of town. You will eventually meet a man of means by looking good, by dressing nice. Okay, now talking about, and I would always encourage you ladies, please go out all by yourself. If you are really afraid, if you're afraid that no, I feel afraid of going out by myself, try to go out in the daytime and always have weapons ready. And I will put all the weapons in the description box. Go to the Amazon, buy all those safety alarm, your paper spray, keep that in your purse and go out alone. Do not be afraid of going out alone. Okay, now the third trend, the makeup trend you are going to see in 2025 is the blush. There was a time in 2024 the blush was completely pink in nature. Now you know what the trend is? The same color you have applied on your lips, which is nude brown shade kind of a color, the same color you will see more in your cheek area. So the pink blush changed towards brown blush. So if in case you're going out in 2025, I would encourage you, you will see a lot of this trend outside in the modeling world, also in the fashion market, also you will see it everywhere. Either people are going without blush, do not have a blush, or else if they are going towards the blush is of the same, the cheek color is the same color as your lipsticks, which is brown in shades, more towards brown shades of cheeks, or just bare cheeks, no blush at all. Okay, now that was the third trend. The trend, makeup trend, is going from pink cheeks towards brown cheeks, a little brown cheeks, or no color at all, the bare nude color. Okay, so that is the third trend, makeup trend. Now fourth makeup trend is 2024 makeup trend was more about looking glossy finish, having a dewy finish makeup, very dewy finish makeup. Now you can also see, but this is effect of lights on my skin. This you can see it's a dewy makeup. That was more popular in 2024. In 2025, it's more about not having a dewy makeup, not having so much highlighters applied on your skin. It's going more towards a matte finish look. This is not a dewy makeup because it's the effect of lights on my skin. So अगर अभी तक आप dewy makeup कर रहे थे 2024 में, तो अब जो makeup का trend है वो कहाँ जा रहा है? वो जा रहा है आपके matte finishing में, more of a पाउडर मेकअप. पाउडर विल बी अप्लाइड ऑन योर हाइलाइटर्स. तो आप हाइलाइटर के ऊपर अपना पाउडर अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. वो वीडियो मैं जल्द ही रिलीज कर दूंगी. व्हाट इज द गुड पाउडर इन द मार्केट which you guys can also purchase, and it's not that expensive, girls. You can easily buy it. There is one more makeup trend which is very popular, which is trending in 2025, and that is by going bare lip, by just applying whole concealer on your lips, having no color at all. That is called concealer lips, where you are applying all the concealer all over your lips. So if in case you want to try that look, try to go darker on your eyes and try to have the smoky eye finish look, and it will look really good on you. Okay, I personally do not like this new makeup trend, girls, but it is still going. It is going viral. In 2025, you want to go bare lip, you don't want to apply any lipstick, just make sure you have applied the lip balm. These are all the new makeup trends you are gonna see in 2025. ये जो trend आया है ना brown lips का, I personally like it. I want to try it more and more while going out. And my ladies who are single and want to meet a nice man of means, please अकेले जाया कीजिए. There is a higher probability when you are alone, a right man will approach you. If you are surrounded by a lot of people, the man can get intimidated. How to approach this beautiful woman? She's surrounded by a lot of people. What if things go otherwise? So आप कोशिश कीजिए ज़्यादा डे टाइम में जाने की, वीकडेज में जाने की. If you want a lead man to approach you, go at the daytime, AM, not PM, and try to go to the 5-star restaurants, the nice places, the rich part of towns. Keep winning in 2025, keep showing up, dress well, look fabulous, go out by yourself, and do not always bring all your friends. That stops you from meeting real men with real money. That stops you meeting from right kind of people. Take it from me, every time I go out all alone by myself, I meet amazing people out there. So there are amazing people out there. Be confident in yourself. Do not be ashamed of going out alone. Do not be hesitant going out alone all by yourself. And enjoy this new year. So I'm signing off. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.